I'm going to go over the steps to install the Hyloft Wall Storage System. This system has 2 shelves and each shelf is held with 2 brackets. You can install the brackets directly on studs or on drywall. If you're putting this on drywall, use a stud finder and mark the location of the studs. The shelves will span 3 studs, so I'm going to put a bracket on the 2 outside studs. I marked the height that I want the top shelf, and now I'll put up my bracket and I'm going to mark for 3 pilot holes. For the screws they provide, you want to drill a 3/16 pilot hole. For the wood screws they provide, you can use a socket wrench or an impact driver. I'm using a straight piece of wood and a level so that I can mark my other bracket. The right bracket and a left bracket, you want the inside corner facing the other bracket. The shelves have a top and a bottom. You want the long wires on the top. The shelf is going to slip into 2 slots on the bracket. Just space them evenly, drop them in, and then pull them forward. Then you have rubber bumpers that you're going to put between the bracket and the shelf, and that's going to wedge it in place. The shelves have a 200-pound capacity per shelf, and you can line these shelves up side by side or one over the other.